How to fix Instagram story not uploading. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of issue where the Instagram story is not being uploaded, then follow these steps. Firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, go to your Wi-Fi option. Inside Wi-Fi, make sure you have a good internet connection. Sometimes, just because of your network problem, you might be facing the not uploading problem. If you have a laggy network, then forget the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go to your settings main page and turn on airplane mode. After that, roll down your notification bar, turn off your airplane mode as well as Wi-Fi option. Now check your cellular data. You can also try to log in on another device. This way you will find out where the problem is. Is it on your device or your network? In Instagram, go to your settings and activity. In settings, you need to log out your account. Log out from your account and log in to see if that helps. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.